Okay, guys, today I'm gonna put on this wig that I found at a beauty supply store not far from my house. It's black owned, and so I always like to show love. So I went in, and guess what? They had this wig for $25. I haven't heard of those prices in a few years, so I mean, can't lose with that. So I said, I probably need to cut it a little bit, but I'm not gonna do it in this video. I'm just gonna comb it. And basically, this is like me just filling the wig out and seeing, like, what can I do with this wig? What kind of styles can I do? And I'm sure, since it's a human wig, it could be washed and recurled. But let's see what we could do with this wig. And it's right out of the box shape. It's summertime. It's going to be June 1st tomorrow. And so I like to let my natural hair grow out during the summer with wigs and braids. And so a short wig is always a good idea because you don't have a lot of hair on your neck. And you don't have to worry about hair flying all over the place. You can really just grab it, comb it, and go. So right now I'm checking out the front of the wig, just seeing what the length of it is and checking out the layers, making sure that I see what it looks like at the a lot of the angles. I'm trying to do something with it to make sure that it doesn't look like a older woman, if you know what I mean.
ECG on the beat.
Really trying to figure out what to do at this point because it's not like I'm a hairstylist or anything. So I'm like, let me get this bang into a cute way and get this top down, because the top being up reminds me of the early 90s Salt and Pepper, which is cute, but it wasn't the look that I'm going for. So I'm like, let me just keep on combing, because baby, it's not giving what I want.
ECG on the beat.
this wig is very versatile and overall was worth the money. I'm happy with my purchase. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Appreciate ya.